Hello, hi everyone. All right, so I am back. As you can see, I'm down here with Molly, but I have some boxes. So I have 3 boxes here, and let's see. Here's a package. Here's one box, and here's another box. It's big. So we're gonna go through them. We're gonna do an unboxing live. I did one last night, and hopefully you guys saw that. If you did not, let me know. But I had another box on top of these. So this, I believe, is from my loyalty order. And the rest of it, I think, most all of it, the rest of it shipped. Yay! I can make some more roller balls. Got fractionated coconut oil. I think I did that for free because I cashed in my loyalty rewards points for that one. All right, so these, I believe, I could be wrong. We could get in and I could have a surprise. I believe this is all the convention stuff. So you guys ready? Here we go. Here's the first one. And we've got all our paper packaging. See that? I'm so excited. All right. So I threw in when I did my order, they were offering some of the pumps for codes. So if you got an email from doTERRA, check your emails. But they sent out maybe a month ago a code for if you bought the Holiday Peace foaming hand wash. The pumps, if you've noticed, have not been working quite right. So they gave a code so you can get your free ones to replace those other ones. And so I put my code in because I've been forgetting, and then it came. All right, so this one's about healing hands, engage in good, and hashtag engage in good. So doTERRAhealinghands.org to learn about that. Since 2015, doTERRA Healing Hands Foundation has donated over 6 million to fight against human trafficking worldwide. I'm not awake, you guys. I can't read numbers right now. This is talking about the Pursue, and Serenity is the 10% off item. All right, so this is what's going to come out in October, hopefully. If all goes well, it's going to come out in October. So if you decide to do the immunity kit, you would start with this kit. If you did the convention kit like I did, you will start with the first one when that program starts, and there's 3 of them. They're going to be $75, and there's going to be 3 of them. So it'll do the next one the next month automatically, and then you'll have to change the kit, but you can change the kit because there's going to be 3 different kits. This one's the immune support one. So let's see what's in it. It says what's in it, but we can open it here. Alrighty. We've got our On Guard foaming hand wash, the pump, and then we have the little kit with the neoprene bag, and it says it's got the oil in here. It's got a few extra things in here. So here it is. Oh, it's got paper in here too, which is nice and packed. Ooh, some more of the On Guard sanitizing mist. I love traveling with that, putting it in the car. We've got dental floss, which you can't normally buy. It's got the On Guard oil, protective blend. It's got some more Purify oil. That's going to be coming in handy with diffusing it so much lately. And then wild orange. And then we've got the toothpaste samples in here as well. So those are in here. I'm not going to open it right yet because I still have some of these open. So these are the remineralizing. So it's got that in there, and it's now got wintergreen, myrrh, and I thought they added another oil. They added some more peppermint, but I know there's wintergreen and myrrh that's added to it. So that's what's in the little neoprene bag for the immunity. So that's packaged really cute and nicely. And then we have this guy. It's too big to put in my lap for you guys to see me. Oh my goodness. Here it is. All the new products and oils, which I believe they still have some of these, and it's a limit now of 5 instead of 2. But they're going to sell out fast, I'm sure, after people start showing their videos. Because there's some oils in here that you can't buy any other way. So here's inside. And, see that? We've got the new toothpaste that's revamped. I can't wait. I gotta finish the tube I just opened. I may not. I may go between the two. Then we have the Balance Bar, which will be available hopefully in October. Ooh, I like that. Wally's gonna love this. He's gonna love he loves the toothpaste in general. Then we have in here, we have Helichrysum Touch, which will be available, but Davana will not. This is amazing for calming, very, very calming, helping you focus, and great for hormones, female hormones support. Then we've got a couple wrapped in tissue. I was told there's a surprise oil in here, but not all of them have them. All right, Bergamot Mint. So this one is not going to be regularly for sale. The only way you can get it is in this kit. Same with the Davana. So this one is not photosensitive because it is more in the mint family versus the bergamot family. I'm really excited. I gotta smell these too. You guys, I have not smelled these, so I have no idea what they smell like. Ooh. Davana. Oh. I don't know how to describe it, you guys, but they say Davana changes for each person that puts it on. It's different for everyone. Oh my gosh. I think I found my new best friend there. Sorry, Adaptive. That might be... Oh, that smells really good. All right, Bergamot Mint. Here we go. Ooh, that is different. It doesn't have that mint smell that you would expect. It reminds me of bergamot, but different. A little bit sweeter. I like that. I'm putting that in some tea. So this helps with a lot of calming, grounding as well, cleansing. Great for digestive support, I think, from what I was reading. And it's going to be a good one in general to use. Again, all of them are very calming. It's going to be great for teas as well to start my day because I bet it's got some immune support properties as well. Oh, this is the other one I'm super excited about. This is the Holy Basil. Ooh. This is the Tulsi tea, or Tulsi one, which I do Tulsi tea every morning usually. It reminds me of the tea, but stronger. I'm super excited. It's very herby, very earthy, but I like it. I don't like patchouli, but I like that. I like that. That's really nice. So these three right here, cannot be purchased anywhere else but this kit. They are not going to be released into the line, hopefully one day. That's going to be my prayer and wish after I start using these, but we'll show you more of how to use these as I get going into them. But again, these are amazing for calming support. Holy Basil, the Tulsi, is really good for immune support overall. Great for just whole body functions. So highly recommend that. Came with the little stickers to put on it, which is good. And then these are the wipes, you guys. These are going to be the new On Guard hand wipes. I'm super excited about these. you can use them on all your surfaces, on your glasses, on the, you know, when you're traveling. This would have been great, guys, when I was traveling yesterday. I had my On Guard sanitizing mist, but those would have been great to wipe down certain surfaces, the iPad, you know, phone. Then we have the Mind and Mood kit. I'm really excited about this one, the neoprene bag. So again, this is what you get for the collection starting in October. But they have a little travel size Balance deodorant. They've got adaptive capsules. There's 30 in there. This is to help get you through a month. The adaptive roller, which I use every day. Of course, Balance oil. So there's those oils in there. That's what's in here. I use Balance every day too. So that's what's in the neoprene, and that's what's in this convention kit here. But there's more in this box. So there's another convention kit. Be sure to get yours now. You can get them now, up to 5. I really want to get another one because I love that Devana. I love all those oils, and I can't get them any other way. So that's another one of those. Plus, another pump that I got, and the relief kit. So this is for your aches and discomfort. Ooh, I like the color of this bag. This is the neoprene bag, like blues. This is gonna have your, I gotta make sure some of these others didn't have something wrapped inside, because this one has stuff wrapped inside. Deep Blue. This is the soothing roll-on, so not the touch, so it's going to be a little more potent. Then we have little travel Deep Blue sachets. We've got the Deep Blue capsules. And, ooh, we've got the massaging ball. It's quite heavy. That'll be really nice for my, my heel. That's going to be awesome. So that's in there. And these 3 kits, again, will be available in October for you guys to do, only on a loyalty order. So only on a loyalty rewards order. If you have questions on that, let me know. All right, I have a big mess here. And then we've got some oils. Oh, these are the surprise oils, except for one of them I bought. So I got some more of the Pursue. If you got your order in early enough, some people I think got Pursue. I got 2 of those. And then I got the Together blend, which I have from last year, and I love it because it's the Yuzu and the Magnolia. So great for hormone support. All of these are great for calming and hormone support. And they just smell really good as a perfume. All right, next, there's more. Just wait. This is the humidifier, which I don't have anything to open it right now, so we may have to do this in a separate video. This is the humidifier. I don't know if I can get it open right now, guys. We'll try. We will try. I don't have scissors down here, so I'm using my fingernails, which is not going to be the smartest thing. So this is a humidifier that you can put your oils in. So it's going to be a diffuser and a humidifier. I believe these are out of stock now, so hopefully they will be back in they should be back in October, but they're going to sell fast. That's what they're predicting already from the way these sold. It'll be like the Pilot diffuser where it sold really fast. So again, I may not get this open without going and getting scissors. All right. Here we go. All right. As I scare Molly here. This is drug, I guess so. It is in here good, guys. There we go. It's wrapped in tissue paper. Look at that. Alrighty, it's huge. It's big. It is big. I said that already. So this is the doTERRA Dawn. Look how big this is. Super big. I am super excited though. This is really cool. I'm not taking out the plastic yet. But there you go. That is the new Debana, this is the humidifier, not dehumidifier. And it's a aroma humidifier, so you can put your oils into it. And it comes with a manual. I am really excited about this. Again, this one did sell out. So be sure when they come back, when I let you know, or you watch, be sure to get your hands on it because this is amazing. Most humidifiers will break down over time, especially when you put the oils in it. So this is going to be huge and awesome for every home. I'm really excited about it because I don't have a humidifier. Ours broke and I could never put oils in it because I knew it would break down the plastic in it and it wasn't designed for it. So I'm really happy that doTERRA came out with one finally. Thank you, doTERRA. I'm super excited. All right, from these, share what you're most excited about. If you got your convention kit already, share a picture below. We'll go through each one of these a little bit more in depth. So be sure to watch for that video later. Bye, everyone.